What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. I'll try to give you a full overview of basically what to expect today, but also in the beginning of next week. We'll take a look at technicals, take a look at fundamentals. Most of you know the drill, right? We'll take a look at everything you need to know, at least in my opinion. So yeah, let's get right into it. I hope you're having a great weekend, by the way. And this Sunday. Bitcoin itself, if we take a look at it right now, it has practically been ranging. And for the technicals, I also wanted to zoom in a little bit. But before we do that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as a short trade from this level right here, make sure to check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But alright, so if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, yeah, so we found resistance at around 27,500, major psychological resistance level. Also houses a very, very strong 382 fib. And since then, we've just been consolidating between, well, practically 27,000. We went below that a little bit a number of times, but not too much. Between that and 27,600. So before we dive into the fundamentals, which I would definitely connect with the technical story, what you can see on the 1 hour time frame is something like this. So we found support at that level once more right now. But as you can all see, is that there's some sort of a triangle formation, which most of you know that I do not trade with it, but I think it's a good illustration. This is kind of what's going on, right? So we're making lower highs on the 1 hour time frame, but that level around 27,000 and 26,800 is still holding. So the big question is can we get a bullish breakout above that? Because I mean, most of you know the weekends are pretty quiet, but at the end of Sunday, like last week, you can get quite a lot of momentum. And that's also what I expect for now. Usually Sunday evening, that night from Sunday to Monday, that kind of, that time frame usually is very volatile. So the big question is that volatility going to be a breakdown, a bearish breakout through 26,800 and a drop down to at least 26,000? It's a real possibility. It's realistic. It's not overly bearish. Or are we going to be able to break above this short-term market structure and get up to 27,500 again, increasing the chances that we'll just rally up to 28,500 with that bullish momentum, and perhaps we'll even touch 30,000. Who knows? So that's a big question. If we take a look at the fundamentals, like for example, for example, the dollar strength index looks very, very bearish. You can see that there's major resistance right here around 104 and 104.2. So I expect this to continue dropping down towards this level. But in the end, most of the big moves by Bitcoin are caused by big buyers, right? Institutions, whales, and what they will do is always somewhat unpredictable. If you take a look at the full picture in the market right now, I think it would be more likely that we will see a little bit of a retracement down to 26,000, and then from there we'll see again. It doesn't seem like we're holding these levels around 27,000 that well technically. And apart from that, there's also just a lot of fundamental unclarity about next week, what will happen with the interest rate, that type of stuff. So, but I guess we'll see. I'll definitely monitor it. If you want to ask me questions about it, you can join the Telegram or the Discord group. And but for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend and take care.